Hello, everybody. My name's Christopher, and I'm the Head of Delivery for Cardano at IOHK. And welcome to this latest development update for the Shelley testnet. As a high-level summary, things are progressing really well. The friends and family pioneers have done a great job going through the exercises, and we're on track to be reaching all our targets, which we set out in the live show on the 28th. We'll start this week off giving you some feedback that we've had from the friends and family pioneers. That's the best gauge, really, to understand how things are going. And picked out 3 of them here, and I'll read them through for you. The first one is, as a professional developer and IT auditor, I'm impressed by how smooth the friends and family is. The bugs discovered are cosmetic, and to have such a distributed system working right from the start is already an impressive achievement. And then we have next one, which is ITN pool operator. You'll feel at home on a solid piece of software. And the final one we picked out, the community in the friends and family testnet is awesome. No bad words to maybe stupid questions. Everyone likes to help other ones. So it's been a great atmosphere in there too. And now in the next stage, now we've been through all the exercises and sort of proven the platform and the functionality which the stake pool operators need, we'll be opening this up wider. And it'll be our pioneers who then bring on and educate and really build that community feel. So, on to some highlights for you. We now have 50 plus pioneers, 81 pools are running as part of the network. And we're guiding pioneers through the core stake pool operator functionality. So we're registering a stake pool, there's delegation, building, signing, submitting transactions, the operationals, keys and key rotation, and being able to change the pool parameters. So all the core, functionality of stake pool operators that they'll need to have once we are launched. Feedback's been positive about the reliability of the node. The documentation's looking good too. So these pioneers are also helping us go through that and prove it on an iterative process. So it's been a really good activity for us all. So good engagement. And we're on track to extending the testnet to bring in the additional stake pool operators, which is our SPO public phase, which is due to launch next week. So that's a broad summary, fairly high level. But I guess the key takeaway is that everything which we'd look to achieve with our friends and family community has been achieved. And at the end of this week, early next week, we'll be having a wrap-up, a type of sort of acceptance and just a recap of how we move through into the next stages of the testnet. Now, we still have some major development items to come, and they've been progressing alongside the Pioneer activity. So we've got the Addresstia API integration, which is going really well. So again, still on track to be having that this month. The hard fork combinator. So I mentioned this last week, and this is a really key component and piece of engineering for us, because this allows us to bridge the difference between the Byron and the Shelley era. So this is now in its final stages of integration, and we'll be having its own testnet internally for our teams very soon. Still progressing preparations for that balance check to make sure everyone has their rewards brought across correctly. Explorer integration and Daedalus integration, these are also progressing in parallel. So generally, outlook is good. We just finished our latest sprint where we achieved all which we would have hoped, and we're now doing a reprioritization exercise for the next coming weeks. So that's it from me. I hope that was enough of a summary for you. Any questions, comments, please send them, and we can always update with anything you suggest for next time. Have a great day, and speak to you again soon.